Hello, today I'm in Honda CR-V. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press Mine button until you see icon right here. If there's limit icon, press limit button to switch to cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed. Press set button to start cruise control. Now you can let acceleration pedal go. To increase speed, press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. To pause, press cancel. To start it over, press plus or minus button. To disable cruise control, press mine button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.